Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruising with the Coachmen, and I am standing here in front of the 24RBX, a brand new line of travel trailers from Coachmen Apex. This is the X series. Now, one of the biggest features on this series is that the walls are 3 inches higher and the prices are a little bit lower. So let's take a look. First of all, you're gonna notice up here on the front nose, they have gotten rid of that front window. A lot of people hate it, a lot of people love it. Tell us what you think down below, but no front windows on the nose. Also, instead of a fiberglass cap, they're using an Asdel cap that's wrapped on the front, so that helps to cut down the weight a little bit on the rig. Also up here on the front end, you're gonna notice that there's only one propane tank. This was another way to cut down on weight and to cut down on price. We've got a nice pass-through up here. And in this pass-through, I still have my charge controller because I've still got solar on the roof and a huge pass-through area. You're gonna see we do not have an outdoor kitchen here or any other outdoor storage other than that gigantic pass-through. But what you're losing out here, you're making up for in the bathroom. On the back end, we've got the Fagati tankless water heater. We are prepped for a ladder and a backup camera. Right here inside the door, I've got a great spot to store shoes and maybe some other things that I need to access from outside, maybe some of my cooking supplies for my grill and things like that. We've got a nice queen size bed up here. This is designed as a couple's coach, but we've got plenty of storage up here for the couple who wants to go camping. First of all, I've got these 4 doors, magnet latches. This area goes all the way across. I've got a decent little wardrobe space in here for smaller items that are folded and a little storage space down below, plus all of this counter space on both sides of the bed. Outlets in the front if you've got medical devices that need to be plugged in, or of course for charging your phones and other electronics. Here under the bed, we've got standard under the bed storage because of that gigantic pass-through, no space for super storage. If you're looking for a little bit of privacy back here in the bedroom, we do have a privacy curtain so that you can close this area off. And now let's move into the main living space of the RV. They put in a tri-fold sofa here that will fold out into a small bed. And of course, just like normal, the dinette will also convert into a full-size bed. So we could sleep some extra people here if you got the grandkids with you for the weekend or some other visitors who need a place to crash for the night. Moving into the kitchen area, we've got this beautiful farmhouse sink. I love these big single bowl sinks. In the X series, they're not doing any sink covers, but we've got plenty of counter space here, and you could put a rack over the top of this. One of those little drying racks that unrolls would be great right here. We've got the TV. This is a smart TV, and when I fold it out, I've got some hidden storage back here in this little bay where I could keep some pantry goods, things like that. The TV, once I fold it out, is visible to the bedroom, although there's also a TV backer in the bedroom, or it's perfectly visible for anybody sitting over on the other side. I've got a 2-burner stove, which allows me to have all of that counter space here. And you know what? I don't think I ever have used more than 2 burners at one time when I've been camping. We've got a multifunctional microwave up here. This is also gonna serve as an air fryer because we do have no oven in this rig. Another way to save some price. Gigantic 12-volt refrigerator. This is a nice, got lots of storage space in here, plenty of food for a weekend, or well, heck, you could fill this up for a week or better. Now, this is another feature that I absolutely love about this. The pantry is massive. So look at all of this space. And notice also that these 3 shelves, the 3 big shelves, all will come out because there's a washer dryer hookup, which is part of the reason why this is a 50 amp service RV. So you can put your own washer dryer unit in there or a combo unit, and you'll be able to power it because of the 50 amp service. Now, one other huge feature that I'm loving in this rig is this bathroom. So let's take a look inside. Look at all of this space in the bathroom. Huge counter space. You've got room to put everything you need in here. Storage here inside that goes all the way through. A little bit of storage up here above. This is where Michelle likes to store extra rolls of toilet paper, and you could also put bath towels up there. We've got space over here beside the shower for other items that you need to stow somewhere, and a nice good sized shower. But here's the advantage of that extra 3 inches of ceiling space. Notice the extra headroom I've got in here. So for all of you tall folks out there, you got plenty of room in this shower to wash out that gray. This bathroom definitely passes the elbow test. Plenty of room in here. This is really a spacious bathroom. And when we walk in here, I do want to point out one disadvantage. When I close this slide, it is going to cover my bathroom door, so there's no access to the bathroom when the slide is covered, but you still can scooch around the corner to get to the fridge. This rig is the same floor plan basically as the 26. The biggest difference is this one is just a little bit shorter, just under 2 feet shorter, but look at all the space that you're getting in this rig. The perfect couples coach for somebody who wants to get out on the road and take an adventure right now. Make sure that you comment down below, tell us what you love or what this rig is missing. The advantages that I'm seeing here are good storage space, lots of room, and a great couples coach. Disadvantages, I'm not loving the lack of outdoor storage in the back, but you know, you gotta make some trade-offs, and the fact that we can't access that bathroom when the slide out is closed. Make sure that you follow us and check out our playlist up above to see the other Coachmen Remote and Apex videos that we have of the new coaches for 25 and some of the older models too. Thanks for watching.